Here are the 7 basic principles in multigrade. The first one is each child is unique. Everyone has different own strength, weakness, and level of comprehension. Every individual has their own ability and capabilities. So as a teacher, we don't need to focus in one component, and it must be varied because every child has a unique capabilities, talents, and skills and has to offer. The second one is children learn best from experience. Through experience, we can learn from out of it. Likewise as well in the children, that we must learn from doing in order to gain experience, right? Remember, experience is the best teacher for all. And one thing also, if a child wants to do something, then let them be. As I said, that to gain experience, they must need to do it or need to act on it and just guide them. The third one is children can and do learn well from one another. Every child need companion. They need to collaborate as well with the other so they can engage and learn from the other person too. That is why in the classroom, the teacher give a group activity and so the students or learners will come together along with their classmates and to have a value of teamwork. The fourth one is the role of the teachers in a classroom involves setting up and managing environment that is conducive to learning and teaching. So the teacher there is very flexible and must set a goal that the classroom environment is conducive to learning and teaching. And this is a phase of a child-friendly place. The fifth one is the implementation of the school curriculum must take into consideration the varied abilities, levels, and interest of a particular group. So the school curriculum must consider the diverse learners and it should not stick into one approach. The strategies as well must be various to ensure each individual must be catered and benefited along the implementation process. Let's proceed with number 6. The value of any educational program will be judged according to how well it is able to achieve the goals of the program, whether the children actually learn what they are expected to learn and how well they will have learned. This means that how the school and classroom is being organized in order to achieve the goals, which makes a great difference. The advantage of grouping students in one classroom should be maximized in order to have an increased effective learning and enhanced learning environment. And the last, or the 7th principle in multigrade is interaging, or the combination of children of different ages is more respectful of individual needs of learners and reflects real life. In one classroom has a diversity of learners. We know it at the very beginning of the basic principle, right? Everyone has differences. To meet our differences, we just need tolerance of acceptance, adaptability, and respect to one another so we understand and meet the goal halfway.